Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by salvaging stale loaves rather than throwing them away. This saves food and concentrates flavor. First, cut the bread into 1 to 2 centimeter cubes so drying is even. Once cut, spread cubes on a single layer on a baking tray. Make sure air can circulate. Preheat the oven to 120 degrees C, 250 degrees F, and slide the tray in. Bake for 20 to 40 minutes until dry but not browned, because dryness ensures crisp pulsing later. Once the cubes are fully cool, this prevents steam from rehydrating crumbs. You move to texturing. You work in batches, filling the food processor no more than half full so blades clear. Pulse in short bursts, 3 to 5 pulses for coarse crumbs, up to 10 for fine. Make sure to check between pulses so you don't overgrind into powder. After pulsing, taste and season lightly, because salt or herbs adhere better to dried crumbs than to fresh bread. You finish by spreading the processed crumbs on a sheet to cool and firm up. This final crisping locks texture. Then transfer to airtight containers, glass jars or freezer bags, and label with date. Frozen crumbs keep 3 to 6 months. If you find clumping or sogginess later, respread and rebake at 120 degrees C for 8 to 12 minutes to dry them out. Make sure to break apart clumps with a fork. That troubleshooting step fixes moisture problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.